everyone, this is Neha Dhaliwal. E-Square Alliance welcomes you to a very special introductory episode of our new upcoming series, LOTO Leadership Philosophies of India's Great Workplaces. I have the deepest affection for intellectual conversations, the ability to just sit and talk about the endeavors of significant achievers who have contributed positively towards the isolation of hazardous energy. Their efforts must be lauded and brought forward not only because they may be encouraged to strive higher, but also because others may emulate them. In this special episode, I have got the opportunity to introduce you to a very special host of our series. Joining us today is a superwoman, an amazing visionary. And when I say amazing, I mean it. She is one of the most dignified safety professionals, author and public speaker who regularly talks about how controlling hazardous energies at work has the power to change lives. It was a defining moment in June 2000 when she visited a work site and witnessed a serious injury to a maintenance personnel due to the inadvertent release of hazardous energy. Despite the doctor's best efforts at the time, he did not survive. Deeply moved by this traumatic incident, she took it upon herself to get on this journey to improve the standards of isolation safety in India and across the globe. She has more than 18 years of experience controlling hazardous energies at work and is on a mission to create 1,000 LOTO success stories in 2021 of companies who have achieved zero accident status in energy isolation. In her 18 years as director of E-Square Alliance, she has enhanced several hundred LOTO programs. Furthermore, she meets with industry leaders regularly to hear their concerns and to develop innovative solutions. Her core beliefs provide the philosophical foundation for everything she does for workers and their safety. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the host of our show, Dr. Nalini Gulati.
Namaste everyone.
So ma'am, we are all very well aware of the excellent work E-Square has been doing to provide a safer and better environment at work. I have heard that you are on a mission.
Yes, you got that right, Neha. We are working on it day and night to ensure that workplace safety is not just something you hear people talk about. This is a very serious matter and could mean all the difference between life and death. Through a complete lockout-tagout program at every organization, by actually having LOTO as a part of the system and not just a draft, we can achieve zero accident status at the workplace in times to come.
That's incredible. You see, not many people in the world think of business with the eye of humanity. In this show, we are continuously looking the brilliant brains with dynamism and leadership qualities with clean and compassionate heart to compete globally. We appreciate the efforts you are taking by reaching to the industry leaders and health and safety professionals, interviewing them and generating awareness about the subject.
You know what, Neha? I feel if we can identify and really understand their core issues, we can deliver world-class products and services that can help them get the desired results, serving the right thing in the right way. And suppose people do not understand how vital LOTO is, something they have been neglecting for ages. In that case, they'll be learning about it the hard way, which usually involves severe loss.
100% ma'am.
It takes a lot of hard work, research and grit to get feedback from your customers and then put it into action. We have been working on this dream mission for a very long time. I've been traveling extensively from one part of the country to the other, reaching out to the industrialists and safety heads who are leaders and decision makers in their companies. In the process, we learn about their LOTO experiences and know how aware people are about one of the most critical parts of the manufacturing or construction process in any industry, that is the employee safety.
Well, ma'am, this recognition for LOTO leaders comes very rarely to those who have worked incredibly hard to excel in control of hazardous energies. But you could have achieved this through emails and reviews on the website. Why reaching out to people?
These series of interviews will help to gain first-hand knowledge and information from key personnel in industries that will help to identify and assess the current situation of control of hazardous energy procedures and processes being used at the shop floor level. It will highlight the current gaps that are prevailing as compared to industry's best standards and OSHA's regulations for lockout tagout.
Oh, impressive, ma'am.
We have helped more than 15,000 sites in isolating hazardous energies in the past few decades. We all know that lockout tagout is #1 most cited violation in the manufacturing industry and #5 for rest of the industries. Today, most organizations are considering lockout tagout. However, numerous incidents are still taking place due to release of hazardous energies at work. Being in the field of industrial safety, I see companies achieve different level of success in implementing LOTO. So I started asking myself question, what is the answer to this success? Whether leadership was the answer, stagnation or failure of LOTO in the business, the journey of trying to find the answers for myself as a LOTOpreneur has led me to learn, share, discuss and debate with several safety heads about the best practices and tools that an industry leader can use to lead his organization towards improving LOTO safety to achieve zero incident status in hazardous energy isolation. Dynamic business environments coupled with globalization and rapid technological innovations have added to the company's vulnerabilities. Looking at the statistics of LOTO failures and incidences happening in the industries, I realized that safety professionals and corporate leaders still have a very long way to go. So as I started interacting with more and more safety heads and LOTO leaders, we identified various areas that reflected the strength and challenges that businesses face today. I met HSE leaders of successful global companies who have reaped rich rewards by achieving high safety standards and accelerated growth in their businesses with a positive, inclusive mindset. So I'm incredibly grateful to all the leaders who have stepped forward to share their views and philosophies on isolation safety. Their immensely valuable insights can help protect precious lives at work from the unexpected release of hazardous energies. I'm so excited to introduce you to this interview series. I think it's an excellent opportunity to understand this important topic with real-time engagement, actual case points and compelling conversations. So join me as we embark on this incredible journey of learning about lockout tagout from the industry's best minds.